Guys, how are you? You're watching this new video from the YouTube channel Information Traveler. Welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a garage in a floor plan creator. Let's get started. Now, after you press plus, you have a blank workspace. Now, you drag a square in this area. After the square, you have to set your requirement meter cube area. I have set my meter cube to 16, so this is my area. After this, you have to go press up and go to doors and windows. As you see, there are many things, doors, but you have to choose co-op. Drag it over here, put it over here in the middle, so it would be right, perfect for the garage. If you want to add windows, there's no problem for it. You can just go to window, add it in the right, or maybe also left. It's your wish to do anything, and plus this app is completely free. Now let's see the 3D of this garage. Perfect. We have a perfect garage with a rolling door system. Just a minute, I'll show you. A window. Just a minute, it's a little bit hard to control. As you see, we have perfect door, a garage, and a window. This is how you make garage in a floor plan creator. Thank you for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe, and be waiting for the next video. Bye bye.